there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a face-off between the Eufy RoboVac 11S and the Lefant M210. Who will suck more dirt? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Eufy RoboVac 11S will set you back $229. And on the right, we have the Lefant M210, coming in at a slightly cheaper $199. So if your wallet's on a diet, Lefant might be your new best friend. But hey, let's not judge a vacuum by its price tag just yet. The RoboVac 11S comes with a remote control, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, side brush, user manual, and a 12-month warranty. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums, minus the knife. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 offers lots of promises about being great for pet hair and having an app that actually works now. So Lefant, are we supposed to be impressed that your app finally works? It's 2023, get with the program! The Eufy RoboVac 11S is sleek and slim, perfect for sliding under your couch to find those long-lost socks. But wait, the Lefant M210 is even smaller, with an 11 inches diameter and a height of just 2.99. It's like the ninja of vacuums, sneaking under your furniture without you even noticing. Just hope it doesn't find that dust bunny colony you've been ignoring. The Eufy RoboVac 11S has decent suction, but the Lefant M210 boasts a brushless suction port that claims to avoid hair tangles. So if you've got a pet that sheds like it's their full-time job, Lefant might save you from playing the untangle game every week. Reviewers noted that the Eufy works well on white carpet, but struggles on black surfaces, while the Lefant is praised for its effectiveness on rugs and pet hair. The RoboVac 11S is straightforward with its cleaning modes, but the Lefant M210 is like a vacuum on steroids with 6 different modes: auto clean, spot clean, edge clean, zigzag clean, scheduled clean, and manual clean. Just don't use zigzag on the carpet unless you want your vacuum to do the cha-cha. The Eufy RoboVac 11S doesn't have any smart features, so if you're looking to boss your vacuum around with your voice, you're out of luck. But the Lefant M210? Oh, it's got smart app and voice control. You can tell it what to do via Alexa or Google Assistant. Reviewers appreciated the ease of use of the Lefant app, although some had trouble connecting it to Alexa. Battery life, folks. The Eufy RoboVac 11S can last up to 100 minutes on a single charge. But the Lefant M210? It's got a whopping 120 minutes of runtime thanks to its lithium iron phosphate batteries. That's 2 full hours of vacuuming bliss. Or, 2 hours of avoiding chores while your robot does the dirty work. Reviewers found the Eufy to be quiet during operation, while the Lefant was described as making white noise. Amazon reviewers have praised the Eufy RoboVac 11S for its ease of use, quiet operation, and effectiveness on pet hair, although it struggles on black surfaces. The Lefant M210, on the other hand, is commended for its versatility, long battery life, and smart features, but some users noted it lacks strong suction power on carpets and can be loud. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Eufy RoboVac 11S is a solid choice for a straightforward, no-nonsense cleaning companion. But if you want all the bells and whistles and a vacuum that can practically do a dance routine, the Lefant M210 is your go-to. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.